on a daily basis, right? I write something on my Facebook profile. Okay, here. Okay, here you can see here, right? Okay, this is the key. Okay, so I'm going to like show you this, okay, which I have done. Okay, so okay, I'm going to like okay, okay, bring something here. Okay, I'm going to type for article that I wrote. Okay, so that you guys can go through this stuff and you can see what I have done here. Okay. This is an article that I wrote based on my marriage reception, okay, which I'm going to show this to you just now. Okay, so I will show you something different. All right. So let me show this to you guys. Okay. For some reason, it's not coming. So able to see my screen? Type screen if you're able to see my screen. Okay. So this is something which I wanted to start today. Okay, so now you can start laughing. Okay, so now I think I got the article. You can start laughing from now. Okay, anyone is laughing at they're looking into this Terminator 2020 Judgment Day? Anyone here is already laughing? All right. Okay, I'm going to read this article for you guys. Okay, so that you guys can laugh out more. Okay. All right. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is I'm going to start this. Okay, so I see this happen. I think every day on Facebook in 2020, terminating more people's growth than anything else on the planet. Okay? It is something I learned very early in my chess career that made me escape this terminator. It is this: every day is a judgment day on social media. We play India's favorite game, jumping to conclusions and judge others based on what we see on the surface level, right? On other people's Facebook posts, ads, etc. I will recall this incident in my chess career, which taught me why we should never judge others. I was a district level player at age 15, and in one of the matches of a district level open tournament, a 7-year-old girl sat before me. I immediately thought I was going to have an easy match, and the first two moves she made confirmed my suspicions. But what transpired in the next 21 moves was unbelievable. She won by checkmate. That was the day I decided that I would never judge others. Because every judgment day terminates your growth. Instead of learning from a prodigy, you could end up wasting your time just like it did. You could end up wasting months without the growth that could have happened if you signed up for that health wealth relationship class from the prodigy you judge. Let me know what you think, Gopal, the 2020 Judgment Terminator. Okay? What do you think about this, guys? Okay? What do you think about this? I thought what you did here. Okay, anyone here judge me? Okay, for example, you see my ad. Okay, this person I don't think he's worth my time. Okay, anyone here judge me can be open. You can type judge in the comment section. If you judge me before, okay, this person whether he would amount to something if I give 5 days of my time. All right. It's true. We do this. We do this all the time. I'm not saying this. I'm not independent. Okay. For example, I judged Isha Foundation, which is in my city, Coimbatore, and I judged Art of Living. I judge all these organizations. Right. We all have our opinions. Okay? We have our opinions. We have our judgments. It's okay. If you judge me, you can type judge because it's very okay. Okay? But what I want you to understand that, okay, so you should not jump to a conclusion. You come a long way. Don't think judging is justified. You are our guru here right now, says, okay. But loving this article, do you want to learn how to write these kind of articles? Do you want templates for these kind of articles? Okay, so I will share more about this on Thursday. Okay, so here the next thing is I'm going to give you the results. Okay, do you want to know the results? What happened yesterday? How many of you have actually completed your exercise? Do you want to know the stats? Okay, where you stand? Okay, I'm really proud to announce this, guy. Okay, I'm really proud to announce this. Okay, out of 101 people, okay, out of 101 people who committed, 94 of you have done your first day. Okay, can we all say clap to everyone? Type clap if you're clapping. Okay, out of 101 people who committed, 94 people. Okay, that is more than 90%. Okay, that is more than 90%. Okay, and close to 93%. Right, this should be there till Friday. Okay, will you guys do that? If you can maintain this tempo, okay, you will be my best batch. Okay, nobody has done this. Okay, nobody has done more than 90%. Okay, if you can maintain this, you will be my best batch ever. Okay, will you be, guys? Okay. Okay, 11 people are done, but they're not filled the confirmation. So in total, we have 105 people who have completed their day one task. Okay, 105 people. Type clap to everyone. Okay, it's amazing. This one is amazing. So please maintain this momentum. Tomorrow onwards, you're going to win badges and awards. Okay, all the 90 people, right? Amazing. Okay, you got us so motivated. Okay, awesome. Everyone, good job. Okay, we can all clap to each other. Amazing. All right. So that is a great job. Okay, you got motivated so much. Okay, that is the thing, right? Okay, I'm a motivation speaker. People think that I'm a marketing teacher, but people, okay, you're not a marketing teacher. You are actually a motivation speaker. Okay? That is what people tell me usually. All right, ready for today? Okay, how about the 7 and 11? I don't get this, Ramesh. Okay, ready for day 2? Okay, all right. You're a marketing teacher, yes. But even for marketing, right? I have to be a motivational speaker first, and then I have to switch to the like marketing. Okay, that is how it works. I have tried. Okay, so trying teaching marketing alone, and people don't do anything. Okay, but motivation, I think people need. The remaining 7 and 11 people, yeah. Okay. So what do you guys want to do? The remaining 7 and 11 people. Are you feeling sad? Are you feeling sad of leaving others and not helping them? Type sad in the comment section if you're feeling sad about not helping your team to win. Okay, 100%. Okay, will you guys catch up? Will you guys catch up so that you can all get 100% on Friday? We can become 100% batch. Amazing. Okay, how was the interaction in the morning? In the 11 to 3 p.m. How was the interactions? How was the you were networking with someone, okay, etc., etc. This is a class. Okay? That is what a class is all about, and amazing. All right. Okay? So this is okay. Inspiring to see everyone's commitment. Says amazing. This is the best badge I have seen, guys. So let us see this. Okay. So now, with that said, okay, we will come to today's class. Okay, let us not waste any more time. Okay. Okay, Tala of marketing says, all right. Okay. So let us, do you call everyone a best batch or we really are? You really are, okay? I have never seen, okay? I changed some things. I changed some things this week, okay, batch, okay? I think that's what do you say, that marriage, right? Marriage, I think that example really motivated you guys, okay? That is what I think, okay? It's the trick, okay? You can join from desktop as well, okay? Okay, able to see my screen that says offer and course design. Let us go ahead, guys, okay? Today is day 2, okay? And you're going to learn how to create your offer for your online course. That is 5K or more, and you will learn how to create your course curriculum that is attractive. Okay, you will learn how to create your course offer, and you will learn how to create your course curriculum. Okay. All right. Okay, why we sell courses? Why do we sell courses? Please type your answer. Okay, why do you think we sell courses? Nobody has given the right answer so far. Okay, nobody has given the right answer so far. Okay, I will tell you the right answer. Okay, the right answer is not any of the things that you have actually given me so far. Okay. Okay, we sell courses. Okay? We sell courses for a different reason. Okay? Okay. So let me ask you differently. Why people buy courses? Okay, now this will make you answer right. Okay? Why people buy courses? Okay. Still nobody has got the answer. Okay. There's a reason I'm here. Okay. I'm going to tell you the actual reason. Okay. All right. So this is a difficult concept to understand. So please pay very good attention now. They want to achieve a goal for which they don't have the skills for. Do you agree with this, right? They want to achieve a goal for which they don't have the skills for. Okay, they don't have the skills for that. So they anyone here want to learn how to do Facebook Live? Proper lighting, proper technology, proper animation. Okay, you don't have the skill for doing a Facebook Live, but you don't want to do a Facebook Live. Okay, and you want to do a lot of Facebook Lives, but you don't know how to actually do it. The technology, everything involved, right? You don't want to know. Okay, want to know the tech skills involved. You want to know the like a video skills involved, etc. Correct? Okay? You want to learn how to exactly have the camera, the whole positioning, etc. You want all those tech and script skills. Okay, so basically you want to achieve a goal of doing Facebook Lives, but you don't know how to do that. Okay, so this is the reason you actually want to buy a course. Okay? And they want to achieve mastery over the skills they require to achieve their goals. They want to achieve mastery over the skills they require to achieve their goals. So now why we sell courses? Anyone can give the answer right now. What is that course has to do? Okay, the course has to give them skills. Okay, the source has to make them acquire a skill. Okay, you need to create what I call as a unique skilling proposition. Okay, it is not about unique selling proposition, it is unique skilling proposition, right? You need to learn how your prospects feel when they see your ad, right? How this person can give me a skill differently. Okay, that is the question you need to answer. Okay, what is the difference with which he can give the skill to me? For example, you are buying a DSLR. Why do you buy a DSLR for? You buy a DSLR because you want to acquire the skills of a pro photographer. Okay, you want to become like a Nat Geo or a Discovery Channel photographer. Correct? You want to acquire the skill of photography. Okay, why I'm doing all these setup, all these lights, etc. Because I'm acquiring the skill of a podcaster. Okay? I'm acquiring the skill of a podcaster here, right? I want to become a podcaster. I want to become a WhatsApp class teacher. I want to become a Zoom teacher, and that is why I'm acquiring these lights. I'm acquiring this camera. I'm acquiring this mic. I'm acquiring all these stuff because of that. If you ask this question, what happened because of that? What happened because of that? At the deep end, you will see a skill. Anyone here wanted to enroll into this course because you want to acquire the skill of marketing your programs or services? Marketing is a skill you wanted to acquire. Okay? You didn't come here to just learn something, right? You wanted to acquire the skill of marketing, correct? Okay? So basically, if you ask this question, what happened because of my program? Okay? For example, if you treat people how to do back pain, why do people want to treat back pain? Okay, because they want to have the skill. Okay, they want to have the skill of moving their body pain free. Okay, now the moment you say painless productivity, anyone here want to become a painlessly productive in your work? You don't want to feel any body pain, anything in your body, and you can work painlessly productive for 8 hours, right? Now that painless productivity is the skill. The back pain is the solution, but whereas painless productivity is a skill. Okay, this is a tough thing to master. But if you see, right, anything, okay, for example, with a phone, right, you are actually buying a communication skill. Okay? The skill communicating without using the old traditional methods of faxes, dial-in telephone, etc., etc. Okay? If you dive deep down, this is what I call as unique skilling proposition. Anyone here want to know exactly when you're ready for selling a program? Okay, anyone? I want to know. Okay, when exactly can I start selling my program? When exactly can I start selling my program? Do you want me to read an article? Okay. Do you want me to read an article which has been read by thousands of people and everyone said that this gave me so much clarity about when I'm ready? Can I read that article for you? Okay. So because this article will clarify all your doubts and you will also get the link to the article. Okay, link to my article, which has been read by so many people. Okay? So this is for people who came late, right? You missed a lot of fun, right? Okay, people others, right? They can see how much fun you had with this article. Okay, now I will. Okay, okay, neurosurgeon. Okay, neuro. Okay. I will read this article to you. Okay. This is the article that I'm. Okay, here. Okay. One of the frequently asked question to me is, what should be the topic of my online course? Can I launch an online course even without having the experience? We have been searching for answers to these questions. You have to understand the process of how a neurosurgeon becomes a neurosurgeon. Here's what he does. He decides to solve thousands of patients' brain problem in his lifetime. Okay. Then he chooses a college to do his MBBS, then pursues an MS degree before he can start operating on the brain problems of his patients. He spends a lot of time and money acquiring knowledge and skills to solve his clients' problems. People pay him in lakhs for performing neurosurgery because it is an urgent and a big problem to solve for his patients. He doesn't need to have a brain problem himself for him to become a neurosurgeon. Because a course created is not about the topic, and it is not about having the experience you have right now. It is about how well you understand the problem you want to solve, and then gaining the knowledge, skills, and experience to solve that problem. How big and urgent the problem is will determine how much you can charge for your online course. Let us say you choose the problem of making entrepreneurs consistent. Now you need to spend the time and money on learning from the world's best books and mentors who are solving that problem for 2 to 3 months to reach the level of expertise worthy of a neurosurgeon who can solve problems with a surgical precision. Here is where aspiring course creators fail. They don't invest in the world's best practitioners because they are expensive. No neurosurgeon quit because he said his medical education was expensive. He knows that is what it takes to become a problem solver with surgical precision. Will you become a neurosurgeon or remain an aspiring course creator? Let me know your choice in the comments. Gopal, neurosurgeon versus course creator. Anybody got clarity? Type clarity in the comment section. We got complete clarity of when you are ready to actually do a online course. Okay? This is what it takes. Okay? Anybody here want this article? Want this article so that you can refer this back again and again. Okay, so because this is what it takes. Okay. I will share this, guys. Okay. All right. Okay. So somebody said it's not coming, but I will give it to the end. Okay. So. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So I'm going to give this to you guys. All right. Yes, that is what it takes. Okay, for you to become a online course creator. Okay. So let me tell you. Okay, knowledge gain plus problem solved with your skill. Okay, that is the key here. Okay. For example, you started as an e-com entrepreneur and you learned how to actually earn 50,000 rupees per month as an e-com store in Flipkart. Okay. The moment you acquire that knowledge and solve that problem with your skill, you are ready. Do you guys are ready? Type ready in the comment section if you feel. Okay. Someone who has sold 50K per month of Flipkart products or Amazon products is ready for teaching it to others and making them to earn 50K per month as a e-com Okay, type ready. Okay, that is the key here. Okay, the moment you gain knowledge about that problem and solve the problem for yourself or your clients, you are ready. Okay, you have to solve this problem for yourself or your clients. For example, you are a Facebook ad agency and you helped so many entrepreneurs to launch their campaigns, and you get them 100 leads per day, right? Now, are you ready to actually like launch a program in which we can train entrepreneurs and teach them how to get 100 leads per day for their business? Type ready in the comment section if you understand. The moment you solve the problem for yourself or your clients, you are ready. Okay? You have to gain the knowledge and solve the problem for yourself or your client. Okay? And that problem has to be an urgent and big problem. Okay? It is not something that is nice to have. Okay? If you have something nice to have, of course you will sell, but you will not sell it in huge quantities, right? You will not be able to feed what I call as a starving crowd. Okay? If your buyers don't have intent, okay? If they don't have the intent to solve that problem, they are not going to buy. Okay? That is why it is so important for you to solve a problem that people want to solve and not solve a problem that they need to solve. Okay? You have to understand this and do it. Okay. Now I'm going to ask you, right? Anyone here purchase this program because of this statement? Anyone here want to create a statement like this for your own course? Okay. Type yes if you want to create a statement like this for your own course, or you bought this program because of this statement. Okay. This is a magical thing. Okay. And I'm going to give the story triangle to you. Okay? The story triangle will literally like make you like feel okay, that you are missing out on so many things. Right? As I told you, right? What is the only education you need for marketing? What is the only education you need to master marketing? What is that I said yesterday? Let us revise. Yeah, the only education you need is the education of stories. Okay? Emotions, storytelling impacts his emotions. Okay, so what are the fears and frustrations your prospects are having right now that is not acknowledged by your competition? Okay, let me give an example. If you already, okay, I'm going to repeat the story triangle because binge marketing is all stories. Okay, and story triangle is a technology which you will be using, okay, to master this art of telling stories. Okay, anyone here has these kind of earbuds, okay, where it is so messy, you have to untangle it every single day, you have to put this inside your okay, like a laptop, or put this inside your phone. Anyone here feels a lot of struggles when you want to do that? Okay. Anyone here would happily exchange this for rupees 1,000? Okay, well, if you okay, I am going to give this AirPod for rupees 1,000. Anyone here will exchange your old earbuds immediately? Type me if you will exchange this old earbuds for a brand new AirPod rupees 1,000. Okay? See what is happening here. Okay? I'm telling you that, okay, you will immediately switch to this. Why? How prospects have moved from their fears and frustrations to their dreams and desires differently with your new technology. The third, okay, now will you believe in this, guys? Okay, will you believe in this AirPod if nobody wears this like this? Okay, anybody here feel this AirPod is a scam? Okay, AirPod is a fraud. Okay? So here, if you don't see anyone wear something like this, do you believe in this technology or not? Okay, you'll not believe in this technology if you don't have enough people wearing this. People don't want the old; they want the new. Okay? Anyone here seen a movie? And when you actually see this same scene, okay, this scene I have already seen somewhere else. Okay, this is boring. The same thing with movies. Okay, the same thing with your marketing, right? When people say, okay, I've already seen this NLP training, I've already seen law of attraction training. Okay? The moment people see that, it becomes they pass it on. Okay, this is, I have already seen these kind of hats. Okay? They actually like pass it over. Okay? And that is why it is so important for you to create this. Okay? Let me ask you: anyone here have our parents here? Anyone here are parents who feels that your children are not sorted? Okay? You are not able to sort your children whenever they're acting out, whenever they are fighting with each other, siblings. You are not able to sort them out. Okay, they are always unsorted, and no matter how much distractions you create, how much things you create, you are just not able to handle your children properly. They are so unsorted. Okay? You are never able to sort. Okay, I have a technique. Okay, where using which you can connect with your children and not correct them. Okay? Not connect with your children, not correct your children, but connect with them. And when you connect with them truly, in 10 minutes, you can stop them acting out. You can correct whatever acting out they do, you can do it. I call this as the 10-minute sorted child. Okay? Anyone here want this 10-minute sorted child technology where you can sort your children 10 minutes, okay? No matter what they're doing, whatever it might be. Okay? What is happening here? I am telling you that untold pain of you of not be able to sort your children, no matter how hard you. Okay. Now I have a technique where you can, okay, the 10-minute connected parent or the 10-minute sorted child, where I will get a 10-minute activity, the 10-minute tool that will make you so powerful. You'll be able to bring back any unsorted child into a sorted child in 10 minutes. And I have done this for more than 10K people, and it works. Every single time, this 10-minute exercise works. Okay, anyone here want to learn this 10-minute conscious parenting technology, or 10-minute connected parent technology, or 10-minute sorted child technology? Got it? Okay, that is what it takes, right? People don't want your boring NLP, law of attraction, all those. Okay? They want something that can solve an urgent problem for them. Okay, is handing your child an urgent and big problem for you, or it is an important problem? Okay, are you guys facing any internet issues, guys, or you are facing any lag, or it is okay? Okay, type okay in the comment section. Okay, yes, facing lag says okay, all right. Sometimes, okay, but it's okay now. Okay, voice is cracking. Okay, lag sometimes. You can go ahead. Okay, all right. Okay, so I'm connecting using my mobile. Okay, that's the problem. Okay, maybe I will switch off my video and I will be like focusing fully on this. Okay, audio. Okay, I will stop my video, guys. It is okay if you don't see me. That's perfectly fine. Okay, so is it better now? Okay, I just stop my video. All right. Okay. So the key here is to do this, right? The moment you are able to understand this, it is not about anything. It is about technology. Okay. It is about the technology. Then you can do it. Okay. I will keep on live. Okay. So how prospects have moved from there? Your job is to create these 3 stories. Okay? I will ask you another question. Okay. Anyone here don't want to handle everything yourself? Anyone here don't want to handle everything like marketing, sales, operations, team building, finance, everything you're doing it yourself? And in here, okay, you are frustrated so much, okay, and you don't want to do it anymore, but you are not able to delegate. For example, if you tell people how to buy a pen, okay, they're coming back to you and say, okay, what color to buy, and you're tired of all these delegating. And do you want my 0 follow-up delegation formula? Okay, where you will not follow up with your people anymore, but when you delegate, they will do the job themselves without asking a single question back to you. And I have a technology using which you can capture systems automatically. Okay, you don't have to create any checklist or SOP or any of those stuff, right? I have a technology using which you can automatically capture the boring task you're doing, and you can simply delegate it to them, and they will never come back to you and ask a single question. Got it? Okay, Vaishali says, okay, okay. Got it? Okay, that is the key here. Okay, I'm telling you all these examples because this is what makes it okay, this is what makes the story triangle attractive. All right, is enough. Okay, enough proof of story triangle. Okay, now I just need to show an example of myself. Okay, I have done this. I used this technology called Loom. Okay, using which I was able to capture my activities automatically, and I just give it to people, and they never come back to me with a question. All right. Okay, so I will just stop my video, guys. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is what it happens, and it is okay. Now I'm coming to the statement. Okay, how course creators. Okay, I just switched off my video, guys. Okay, how course creators can enroll 25-30 students every single week. Okay? I will just switch to a different connection. Wait a moment, guys, so that I can. Okay, so my voice and video should be better now. Okay, let me know if it is better by typing better. Okay? I just switched to a different connection. Type better if you are able to see me and hear me better. Okay, I just switched to the original connection. I have some issues, but then it is back. All right. Okay? All right, it is better. Okay, so now I'm going to give you this formula. This formula is something which took me a lot of years, right? This simplification you're going to receive is a result of 12 years of research. Okay, and the Sphero triangle makes it possible. Okay, how course creators can enroll 25 to 30 students every week without webinars using binge marketing. How course creators can enroll. Okay, the course creators here is the target market. 25 to 30 students is the quantifiable end outcome. Okay, what people, okay, let me tell you the definition of true marketing. Okay? True marketing is about converting the intangible into the tangible. Steve Jobs said 1,000 songs in a packet. Okay, when he wanted to advertise or market the iPod, he said, instead of carrying those clunky MP3 players with CDs inside it. Anyone here have done this in your childhood? Where you carry those clunky MP3 CD players? Have you guys seen that? Type me if you have used that clunky MP3 player that is very huge and you have to hold it in your hand and do it. Instead of doing that, now you think, okay, now you can have an iPod which you can put inside your packet and you can hear music from that without using your hands. That is what he said. 1,000 songs in a packet. Okay? Your job is to do that. Okay? Target market, quantifiable end outcome. Smaller ones, round shape, yes. Okay? And untold pains, webinars. Okay? I am telling you that you are using webinars. That's the mistake. Okay? If you use webinars, you will never be able to consistently do this. And this webinar is something you are using right now. This is like the AirPod. Okay? AirPod, this is like the earbuds you're using, right? I'm telling you, using this is wrong. This is the untold pains. Okay? And then the unexpected gain is the binge marketing. This binge marketing is the technology or the strategy or the system, etc., etc. Are you guys able to hear me? Someone is saying no voice. Type here in the comment section if you're able to hear me, guys. Suvin, okay, yeah, okay, it is clear. Okay. So what you need to do is this. Okay. Here, okay, what I do in my story triangle class, okay, is I sell them the concept of 3 stories. The only 3 stories that they need to create to make their Facebook ads work. The 4-hour Facebook funnel is my original program. Okay, I sell this program saying that how to launch a profitable Facebook campaign in less than 4 hours without landing pages, emails, or a website with my 4-hour Facebook funnel system. Got it? Okay. So, okay, your job is to understand this. Okay. The moment I create a statement, right? Anyone here want this? How to launch a profitable Facebook campaign in less than 4 hours without landing pages, emails, or a website using my 4-hour Facebook funnel. This is the program which I sold more than 2,000 copies, and we made more than 1 crore in revenue with this. Okay, I'm going to reveal this on Friday. Okay, I'm going to reveal this system on Friday. But this is the program I sold for 2,000 entrepreneurs and made more than 1 crore in revenue with this. Okay, the basic statement. Okay, your job is to create an outcome, right? All the clients you saw yesterday, right? Everyone creates these kind of quantifiable end outcomes. Okay, how to make 42 deposits in your spouse account, okay, not bank account, right? Spouse relationship account every single day, and go back to your honeymoon days. Okay? Whatever it is, right? It is you have to make it quantifiable. Okay, guys, please make sure that you join using computer audio, and that is how you will be able to do it. Many people are saying can't hear you, etc., etc. All right. Yeah. So here again, all these people, right? They use that particular method of that statement, right? Target market, quantifiable end outcome, okay, without untold pains and with unexpected gains. All right. Okay. So here, so your connection is a bit bad, guys. Okay, make sure that you do it. Okay, so choose all panelists and okay, choose all panelists and attendees, guys. Okay, when you are replying, right? Choose all panelists and attendees and tell people that it is audible so that people can fix the connection. Okay, it is your problem, guys. It is not us. Please choose all panelists and attendees and tell people that it is audible, okay, so that people can fix themselves. Okay, all right, all right. Okay, so here again, okay. Young Leaders Challenge, right? Second level program where she teaches people how to write a book. How to write a book, okay? How to write a book in 30 days for your kids, okay? Without sending them to expensive programs or expensive schools, using my Young Leaders Challenge. Your job is to create an outcome-based program. As I said, outcome equals income. And if I make prospects believe that the only way, for example, I will tell you, right, what I'm going to do in this 5-day WhatsApp class is that I'm going to prove to you, okay, how I'm going to sell to you my program is that in these 4 days, I'm going to show you a lot of case studies, lot of testimonials, lot of interviews, so that you actually believe. And if I make you believe, you will invest in the 5th day program. Okay, I have seen this for so many times, it never fails. Okay, the important thing I want to understand, which was passed on to me by mentor, is this: you are like an attorney. You're like an attorney, like this Amitabh Bachchan from the film Pink. Have you guys seen that film Pink? Okay? Your job as a marketer is to argue that your technology is the only way for people to get out of their pains, untold pains, and get their dreams and desires. Okay, type attorney, right? Your job is to argue, right? It is not, your marketing is not about selling. Okay? Marketing is being arguments that makes me to feel, okay, finally with this technology, I will be able to solve my current problem. Okay, with this technology, I will be able to solve my current problems, and I will be able to hear music without wires. Okay, I'll be like doing this without wires. Okay, type attorney in the comment section if you are able to get this. It's very huge, guys. Okay, your job is not to market, not to sell, but to be like an attorney where you argue. Okay, your job is arguments. Okay, anyone here remembers what is that famous statement from the film Pink? Okay, no means no, right? Okay, that was the verdict, right? The moment you make people to understand that no means no, then it is so. Then the judge will like give the verdict in your favor, right? Who is the judge in our marketing? Who is the judge? Who is the judge when it comes to our marketing? Guys? Who is the judge? The customer or the prospect? Okay? It's the customer. Okay, so your job is to argue to your customer so that they can buy your program and become client for life. Okay? Someone who pays you a small amount is a customer. Someone who buys from you again is called a client. But people will become clients only when you learn how to argue like an attorney and prove it to them that your program can benefit them. This is a skill we need to acquire. Okay? You need to acquire the skill of doing this. Okay, so type CFL. Okay, CFL stands for clients for life. Okay, the only way for you to create clients for life is to learn the skill of argument. Okay, you need to argue to your clients, argue to your customers that your next program, next outcome is what will help them get what they want. Okay. So this is the key here. You are like an attorney. The with or the with formula. Do you want to learn this formula and give a lot of examples? Right? I'm going to give you a lot of examples which will help you in understanding this formula. Without the biggest untold pain they think they should be doing. Right? The key here is to tell people behaviors, attack people's habits. Right now they are having this. Okay. Right now they are having this as what they use. Now when you tell people that this is wrong, okay, then you tell people that this is what is good. Right? It is making people attracted. Okay? Let me tell you. Anyone here agree to this? Right? Time management is what you need for you to achieve goals. Type time management. If you understand that, if you don't manage time, you are not going to manage your time. Okay? Now, let me tell you, time management is complete bullshit. Okay, you cannot manage your time. Okay, you can only manage your priorities. Okay, you're going to manage your priorities. Okay? For example, okay, if you don't manage your priorities, okay, for example, if you don't know where you're going, your goal, and if you don't write down 3 activities for achieving that goal and make it a priority every single day and schedule it, okay, and schedule it. If you don't schedule your okay, you're not going to achieve what you want. Okay? You have to manage your energy. Anyone here want to know how to manage your energy? I have a program called Energy Matrix, okay, where you will learn where your energy is going right now and who are the vampires, and then you will be learning how to reset your energy and how to gain, how to bring the highest energy like Prabhudeva every single day. Right? Like if you see, right, Prabhudeva wins every dance competition because he brings the highest energy to the dance every single time. When you learn the energy matrix, you will be like Prabhudeva, who will be able to bring the highest energy to whatever you do. Got it? Okay. The key here is the untold pain. Okay, time management. The moment you say whatever they have been trying to do right now is completely wrong, you expose the truth. Okay? You expose the truth. You're not explaining what you do. You're exposing the truth to them. Okay? And you're telling people that you can now skill them with your formula. Okay? With your new technology, tool, system, or strategy. Anyone here want this energy matrix technology? Okay? Where you will learn how to audit your energy, reset your energy, and operate at the highest level of energy like Prabhudeva. Right? It is yeah, we will be learning that. Yeah, we'll be learning that. How to bring out the leader in your child in 30 days without sending them to expensive schools with the Young Leaders Challenge. Anyone here want to know this? How to do this? How to bring out the leader in your child in 30 days without sending them to expensive schools with the Young Leaders Challenge. Okay? This is a formula. Okay? How to get 30 sales for your e-com store in under 30 days without owning a product with the e-com product funnel. See that without owning a product is the key here. Okay, are you guys able to understand? The moment you tell people that they can upgrade themselves without trying to do the thing that is frustrating them, they feel relief. Okay, they feel free. Okay? You are basically providing them freedom from the fears and frustration they are going through by trying something that is not working. Yeah, this is dropshipping. Yeah. How to fix the money and relationship issues in your family without counseling with the matrimony method. It is okay, Ankit. It will be confusing, right? I am someone who has to watch something twice or thrice to understand. Okay? It is okay, right? How to fix the money and relationship issues in your family without counseling with the matrimony method. How to launch a profitable Facebook campaign in less than 4 hours without a website, landing page, or emails with a 4-hour Facebook funnel. Anyone here is able to see this? Okay. How to reset your health in 21 days without sacrificing your favorite foods with the yoga shred method. Where are you guys getting this? So it is tough, guys. Okay. tough to do this, understand this, it is okay, right? But you're just crawling, okay? And anyone here want to business with her, Himani Jain, okay? Business growth accelerates, okay? Fill up your online program and offers with high paying clients who would love to work with you without spending on ads. That without spending on ads. Anyone here is curious about that? How can you get high ticket clients without spending on ads? The most powerful word in marketing is the word without. Anyone here have two children or siblings and you want to grow them without rivalry? There is a very famous book called Siblings Without Rivalry. The most powerful word in marketing is the word without. The power of your marketing will be directly proportional to the power of the word without. Okay, the stronger your word without, the stronger without you have, the stronger will be your marketing. Anyone here type curious, right? You want to know what this person has inside. Okay, type curious. By just seeing this, right, you want to know what this person has, right? Okay, this is what creates curiosity. And if she proves it right, if she proves it in her 5-day WhatsApp class, this is possible. People buy her second level program. All right. So the 5-day WhatsApp class is all about proving the concept of the 4-hour Facebook funnel and making them buy that program. All right. So what I do is I give them these kind of mastery bonuses. Okay. What I said was people are buying mastery over a particular skill. Or a particular skill. For example, this is called the ASAP hour. Yoga shred method, exactly. Okay. So here, what I'm giving you here is the ASAP hour. Okay. As a bonus to my program, I give this program. I will tell you what this program is all about. Okay. This program is about giving them 30 templates using which they will repeat every single day, like you're doing, right? Every single day, you're going to repeat that particular article and you will add your own experience and you will do it. In 30 days, they will master. And here knows that any training that you do in self-development, right? They have to do something on a daily basis, like affirmations for them to achieve mastery. So your job is to include components in your main program that will help them to acquire the skill faster. This is what I call as the unique skilling proportion. Okay, you need to create a lot of components in your program. For example, this is one component, and another where I will make them to finish 30 articles 30 days and I will make them to win this award. This is called the ASAP or Finisher Award. Okay? Then bonus number 3 is the 4-hour Facebook funnel online launchathon. Okay? Where I help them to literally launch a campaign in 4 hours along with them. I do all these things because I want people to learn that I can make them acquire the skill faster. This is what I call as the unique skilling proportion, where you assist them in their mastery journey by including things for practice and helping them with implementation. So your job is to create these kind of bonuses for your own programs. This is what will form your unique skilling proportion. Okay? So type mastery in the comment section if you understand that people don't want strategy. Okay. For example, anyone here understands this, right? Okay. For example, keto diet. Okay. Keto diet. Okay. You learn keto diet and you think you will be able to do it on your own. Okay. Only when you are able to. Okay. Only when you are able to get mentorship and do this every single day, practice again, right? You will be able to do it. Okay. So I will tell you, right? Let us say keto is a strategy you learn in 5 days. Okay. Do you think by understanding keto you will be able to do it yourself? No. Okay. You will face a lot of trouble, lot of issues, lot of questions will come, lot of help is required. For example, people can learn keto diet in YouTube. Okay? But what will actually make people to come to you is because you will tell. Okay, these are you got only the knowledge. For you to actually acquire the skills, you need to go after mastery. So your job is to create these mastery components in your program that will make people feel, okay, this person has a very unique skilling proportion that will help me to master these skills and help me to earn more money, help me to get more healthy, help me to get better at my marriage. Okay. So you can create, again, it's an outcome-based program, okay, where you help them to achieve a particular outcome. How to achieve 30 e-com product sales in 30 days. Okay. Anyone here have seen the Forbes 30 under 30 award? Okay, I have. Okay, Now you can create an outcome for this where you help people to get this award by going through your program in 30 days. You will skill them in traffic. You will skill them in creating websites. You will skill them in conversion so that people get 30 e-com sales. Do you think offering an outcome like this is better than offering a program? Just knowledge, right? It is outcome, right? I told you two outcomes. The second outcome, okay, 35-day WhatsApp class in 30 days, right? Your job is to create these kind of outcomes for your second level program. Okay, you cannot guarantee, but you can tell people, you can assist that in your journey, right? Okay, that's all we can do. Okay? So anyone here want to learn how to structure your curriculum? Anyone here want to learn how to structure your course curriculum? Okay, I'm going to do this for you guys, okay, because this is pretty important. Okay, it is called circle of wealth. Okay, so here, anybody here, just by looking at this picture, do you want to know this? Do you want to know how this is done? Anyone here want this program? Okay, just by looking, I am not telling you anything. This is one of my students called Shitij. Anyone here want to learn this circle of wealth? Okay, some people are not. Okay, it's okay, right? So it is consists of three phases. Okay, your job is to divide your program circle of wealth into three phases, right? Wealth conception, wealth consciousness, and wealth creation. Your job is to make sure that you divide your program. You give a beautiful program name. Okay, Kavita says, Sitish, this goes to me. Okay? Sitish is my student, right? He created this program called Circle of Wealth. Okay? And there are three phases: wealth conception, wealth consciousness, and wealth creation. Okay, so create a beautiful course name and then create these three phases. Okay, I will tell you the research. Okay, anyone here want to know the exact research system I used to create words like this? Okay, anyone here want me to know the? Okay, I'm going to reveal this to you today. Okay, all right. Wealth conceptions. Okay, wealth conception. Okay, milestone 1, milestone 2, milestone 3. Right? You divide each and every phase into 3 milestones. Right? Milestone 1, milestone 2, milestone 3. Okay? And wealth consciousness. Milestone 1, milestone 2, milestone 3. Wealth creation. Milestone 1, milestone 2, milestone 3. Wealth conception, right? How broke is your brain? Okay. So now I'm going to tell you, okay, each and every phase has to be split into milestone ones. Okay. For example, wealth conception. Milestone 1, how broke is your brain? Milestone 2, how to fix your broke brain? Milestone 3, how to go from a broke brain to a wealthy brain? Wealth consciousness, how to find your wealth frequency? How to tune into your wealth frequency? How to create a conscious wealth environment? Wealth creation, how to convert your talent into a problem solving skill? How to serve people with your problem solving skill? How to attract an abundance of people whom you can serve with your problem solving skill? Now, anyone here will pay 5K for this program? Type 5K in the comment section if you will pay 5K for this program. Okay, I will do, Abdul. Okay, don't worry. Okay? Some people say they will pay, some people they will. Okay, for the right people, this is an attractive program for which they will pay 5K, right? Your job is not to attract everyone. If they don't want this, they can skip this, right? So marketing is about attracting the right people and repelling the wrong people. Your job is to give them a skill. How you do this? By giving them the mindset required for that skill or each every milestone, give them knowledge, give them tools, and make them practice again and again and again. Anyone here understand this? For you to acquire a skill, you need to make them understand the mindset involved, give them a strategy, give them a knowledge, give them tools, and and make them practice again and again and again till they get the skill. That is what online courses all about. You how to structure each and every milestone. For example, mindset is why. Okay? Why people should learn this or not learn this? What is the reward? What is the stakes? Then you explain the strategy with a diagram or a flowchart. Okay, I use Sura triangle at the beginning, right? Share your knowledge with tangible examples. Okay, why do people buy from you and not watch some random YouTube video and learn? Because you have your own experience. Anyone here want to learn my experience of scaling so many people to 10 lakhs per month, 1 crore in 1 quarter, etc., etc. You came to me because I helped so many people to scale to 1 crore in revenue, 10 lakhs per month, right? I have so many examples. So you come to a particular person for the experience, right? Knowledge filtered through experience is wisdom. People are buying for wisdom and not for your knowledge. You need to teach technical things. Teach things filtered through your experience, your client's example, your client experience. Type wisdom if you understand. Okay, your job is not to teach them technical skills. Your job is to teach them knowledge filtered through experience. That is called wisdom. People buy your wisdom. People pay for your wisdom. People don't pay for random knowledge, random skills, right? They buy because it is your wisdom. Tools, templates, or exercises to practice and gain mastery. Give them tools. Yesterday, give you a tool for you to gain mastery, right? Now, today, I'm going to give you a tool also, right, to practice this. So, milestone 1, okay, how broke is your brain? Why we get our broke brains? The broke brain diagram. How society and parents influence our broke brain. The broke assessment, right? Find out how broke your brain is. So you should do your first thing beta, okay? Tanuj, okay? You have to your first program beta, and you don't have to record your course. Okay, let me give it to you guys. Okay, I will give it to you right now. Okay, anyone here want to know how you can launch a program without recording videos, without testimonials, without marketing, without technology? I will reveal to you right now. Okay, you don't have to do all those stuff, guys. I am going to make you free. People are seeing their journey to mastery and not just a strategy. Okay, I will tell you how to borrow. Okay, anyone here want to steal content or words from the world's best expert ethically? Okay, type steal. I'm going to bring that on. Okay, I'm going to bring you a technique using which you can steal the world's best words ethically. Okay, my goal is to build the Toastmasters Club for marketing. I want to build the binge marketing, okay, as the Toastmasters Club for marketing. I want to build a club. Still ethically, okay. So this is what I'm going to do, guys. Okay, I'm going to tell you how to. Okay, can I tell you reveal the formula? How you're going to launch your course without recording videos, without having testimonials, without buying any technology, without any marketing costs. Okay, let me give it to you, right? Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to launch a beta class. Okay, you're going to launch a beta WhatsApp class, and you're going to do this WhatsApp class live. You're not going to record any videos. You're not going to record any videos. You're going to do the entire thing live like I'm doing right now. And you will sell a program on your 5-day WhatsApp class, and you'll do your entire online course, the second hour program also live. Do you know why? I will tell you. Beta class is where you tell people, please come and test my new class. Okay, I'm not charging much for my class. Please test my class, and I will give you access for free or for a small money, because I want testimonials. I want reviews. Will you test my product and be my beta customer, where you will test my product and see if it works for you? Now, do you know why you have to do it live? Because when you do it live, you will get feedback. And when you get feedback from your clients, and then you go and record videos, Do you think it will be better, or you have to do it the first time itself? What do you think? Okay, when you do it live, you will get all the feedback, all the questions, right? So this way, you don't have to record any videos. Okay, for your WhatsApp class or your online program. Okay, anyone here is feeling free? Type free in the comment section if you are feeling free. Okay, this is how I launched my program. Okay, I launched my program without recording a single video. Okay, I launched my 4-hour Facebook funnel without recording a single video. And based on the feedback I got, I improved my delivery, my presentation. I include all their questions. Then I created my token. Got it? Okay. So now I'm going to tell you the research method. Okay. This research method, right? It is going to completely blow your mind. Okay. All right. Okay. The research method I'm going to give you is going to completely like blow your mind. Okay, I don't know why I'm giving you for the money you paid, but I will give it to you anyhow because I really want you to learn how to do this. Okay? So here, okay, I will. Yes, you can do. You have to pay for Zoom. Okay, or you can also do it with Geo Meet or some free software. Okay, or Google Meet is there. You can do it for free. Okay, Mani Ratnam. Okay, anyone here watch this film Roja? Okay, type Roja in the comment section if you have seen this film Roja from Mani Ratnam. Okay, anyone here have seen this film or know this director Mani Ratnam? Okay, famous, very famous director. So where did he get this idea for this film? From where did he get this idea for this film? This film Roja is about a terrorist, right? Who actually like kidnaps the husband of Roja, and Roja. Okay, where did he get this idea from? Okay, can I give you the source of him? Okay, this actually comes from the epic, okay, or the myth, okay, of Satyavan Savitri. Okay, so what happens, right? Satyavan, okay, the death god actually takes Satyavan. Okay, he wants to like get the life of the husband, and the Savitri fights with the death god and actually makes Satyavan come back to life. Okay, got it. Okay, this film's script was stolen from the film or the epic Satyavan Savitri. Okay, I will give you another example. Okay, this is from a Tamil movie. Okay, it's called Thalapathy. Okay, it's called Thalapathy. Okay, it's called Thalapathy, right? Anyone here has seen this film, Rajini and Mammootty, Mani Ratnam film? Okay, it's a film of where Rajini is a very good person, but he starts to kill for his friend who is a goon. Okay, where is this particular film stolen from? Okay, Mahabharata. Who is the story? Okay, the story of Karna. Okay, Karna actually works for a bad person because he's a friend. Okay, anyone here agrees to this, right? This is how filmmakers get their ideas. Is Mani Ratnam completely ethical in stealing two great ideas from two great epics and using it? Is it ethical? Type ethical in the comment section if you agree that this is ethical. Whatever Mani Ratnam has done here is completely ethical. Okay, he's not. He can do this. Okay, nobody will. Do not bad. His motives were. Okay. All right. Okay, this is inspiration. Okay, so now I will ask you. Okay, I'm going to tell you something which some might. Okay, I call it as modeling. Okay, it is by Tony Robbins. Okay, I will tell you how Tony Robbins stole ethically. Okay, I will show this. Anyone here knows Tony Robbins, the world's #1 life coach? Okay, do you know where he stole his course content or words from? Do you want to know who is his source? Anyone knows? Okay, what is the source? His source is Richard Bandler. Okay, the co-creator of NLP. Okay, he actually learned this from Richard Bandler, the co-creator of NLP. Okay, he was student of NLP. Okay, here he says this. Okay, one of the things I am best at is modeling. I find someone who is best at something I want to learn, then I model them and learn it myself. Then when I have proven it to myself, I teach it to others. Okay, it is not getting okay. We can only create something. Okay, we can only borrow brilliance. Okay, for example, I can borrow brilliance from mentors. I can add something of my own for the Indian audience. Only that I can present. We can only borrow brilliance. We are all of us are not born brilliant, but we can borrow brilliance and then we can combine something of our own and create it. Type borrow in the comment section if you understand. Okay, nobody in the whole world can be born brilliant. Okay, we can only borrow brilliance. Okay, we can only. Okay, I'm doing this because I want to feel free. Okay, do you want me to know how to borrow brilliance? Okay, how to get inspiration? Okay, you can only borrow brilliance, guys. Okay, you can only model people. Okay, if Tony Robbins says this. This is correct or not? Okay? He says this, right? One of the things I'm best at is modeling. Okay, he's doing it. All right. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you the result method. Okay, top 10 health coaches. Okay, in the US. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, this is the key. Okay, top 10 health coaches, top 10 wealth coaches, top 10 marriage coaches. Okay, you can search for any of your things and you will get this. And now it is research. Okay, here okay. You can only borrow brilliance, guys. Nobody is born brilliant. Okay, but borrowing brilliance is your duty. Okay, now I am typing top 10 coaches, 10 influential health coaches you should be following. Okay, here Christina Rice. Okay, now I can go to her Instagram. Okay? Now I can go to her Instagram and I can go to her podcast and I can listen to her. Okay, and I get a lot of ideas. Okay, how she's doing it. Okay, and then I can go to Holly Higgins. Okay, here I click on this website. Okay, and I go and do research. Okay, just like Maniratnam is a director, he's actually like going and getting inspiration. I am getting into funnels because as a marketer, you are very, very close to a director. If Maniratnam gets inspiration from films, you should get inspiration from funnels. Okay? Funnels are those things where people convert you into a paying customer. Okay. Now I will tell you, for example, Instagram. Okay? Christina Wellness. Okay, it has not been there. Okay, here. Okay, shift your subconscious and stick your life. I help you release fears, beliefs, and habits that no longer serve you. Meet Holly. Okay. Now you are getting into the funnel. Okay. So here I'm going to type in your email name and I'm going to type in the email. Okay. Now I am getting into her funnel. Okay. Now if she is the world's best, do you think I will get so many good emails from her? I can see her message, see her patterns, and find out what she does and how she does what she does. Now you can click on hypnotherapy. Okay, so all okay, work with me. Okay, you're getting inspired, guys. You're not copying. Okay, because how can you create something without getting inspired? Okay, there is no way. Okay? There is no way you can do something without getting inspired. All right. Now work with me. Okay, this is called rapid transformation hypnotherapy. Okay, anyway, here's getting the names for your programs. Rapid transformational hypnotherapy. Okay, you're getting new ideas. Okay, you can say rapid. Rapid hypnosis. Okay? Instead of doing this, right, you get a new word based on this rapid hypnosis. Rapid. I'm getting an idea. Rapid course launch. Okay. Anyone here want this rapid course launch? Okay. Now I'm getting ideas for my own programs by doing this. Okay. Getting ideas rapidly, says Ashish. Right? Amazing, Ashish. Okay. That's amazing. Okay. This is a rapid idea formula. Okay. This is called rapid idea generation. Okay. I call it RIG. Okay. Rapid. Okay. By doing this, you are creating something called as RIG, okay? Rapid idea generation, where you're going through all these websites and finding out what is in this website that makes this program sell. You're doing what I call as competitive research, right? You're doing research on what your competition is doing and what is making people buy. All right, okay. Top 10 this, okay? Then now I'm going to do this, okay? I'm going to go to the website. This comes with so much practice, Neha, okay? Okay. So here, Go Fit Joe, okay? Now I'm doing another website and I'm seeing there are 3 phases here, okay? Now it says self-love, empowerment, and emotional fitness, okay? Now can you take this again, self-love, and you can say self-image, okay? Self-image, okay? Delegate, and you can create something, right? You can see this is the 3 phases, and you can get ideas for your own. Self-love, empowerment, and emotional fitness, okay? Are you getting ideas, guys? Okay. Radical self-acceptance, when we feel liberated to not only be true to ourselves, okay? What you're doing here is you are becoming a word watcher, okay? You should not watch birds anymore, okay? You should not be a bird watcher, you should be a word watcher, okay? Type word watcher, okay? As a marketer, you have to go and research for so many new words, because only new words and new technology will actually make you into a marketer, right? Follow my daily adventures on Instagram, okay? You need to become a word watcher, okay? Got it? Okay. So here, and you can see the product, right? Work with me, okay? Okay, it's called this. Now she's calling something as the bird will watch word, says Devon. Okay, so here, okay, the siren salon. Okay, here, okay, see this words. Okay, the siren salon. Okay, it's for women seeking to heal and reconcile her sacred, sensual, sexual self. Women who deep down knows she desires and deserves more. Okay? Are you guys able to see this? Why the siren salon? Okay, are you getting niche ideas by looking into this? Type niche in the comment section. Okay, you're getting new niche ideas by seeing these things, right? Okay? Okay, so if you do this for 10, okay, if you do this for 10 websites, do you think you'll get all the ideas for your courses? If you take 10 products, okay, this is how we do it, right? This is how, okay. Okay, now, okay, do you want another hack? Type hack in the commentation. You want another hack to find out new words. Okay, type hack. Okay, now I'm going to do this. Okay, yeah. Okay, top 10. Okay, top 10 personal finance books of all time. Okay. Now I am getting top 10 books. Okay, do you think that if a book has become a top seller, then the author has to be a top person as well? If someone has a book has been rated as a top 10, do you think those people, right? For example, here, The Richest Man in Babylon, okay. Now you can go to Robert Kiyosaki. Okay, for example, you can go to Robert Kiyosaki. Okay, Robert Kiyosaki official website. Okay. Now, when you go to this particular person's website, do you think you will be able to get a lot of ideas for your copy? Okay, focus on one niche, Devon, and then shift to others. If you do this for all the top 10 books, do you think you will have all the words for your courses, your marketing, your offers? Are you guys getting this? How fast can you become a millionaire? Okay. That is how you research, guys, and I will ask you. Okay, for example, okay, now when you go into the Amazon book, okay, when you go into the Amazon book, okay, so for example, if you actually read the description of this particular book and see all the bullet points, do you think you'll be able to get a lot of inspiration for your own program? here, if you go into this, right, this is what we call as five file. Okay, this is what we call as five file. As copywriters, we always capture all these things, and we use something. Okay, do you want a tool? Okay, I use something called Go Full Page. Okay, here I'm going to click on this. Okay, here you can see here, right? Okay. Explores the myth that you need to earn a high income to become rich. Challenges the belief that your house is an asset. Show parents. Anyone here is, when you actually read these 5 bullet points, it's called five file, Shivangini. It's called five file. I will. It is called as five file. Okay. For example, I will tell you. Okay. I will show you all my five file. Okay. For example, when I see a beautiful book like this, what I will do is I will go and click on this icon, okay, which is called Go Full Page. Okay. I will click on this icon, and this icon will capture this whole page. This icon will capture this whole page for me, and this file, this page will automatically be converted into PDF, and I will get that. There's a beautiful, right? The plugin is called Go Full Page. Okay, the Go Full Page, and now you can see, right? I have a lot of PDFs like this, right? Here you can see, right? Okay, this has captured the whole page like this. Okay? And that is how you actually like how to like whenever you see great words, you have to just capture them. Okay, you can see this, right? I can download the PDF and I can have it. Okay, and I can see, right? I have a lot of swipe files. Okay, whenever I'm seeing this. Whenever I'm seeing something like this, right, I capture. Okay, you can see that I'm capturing on a daily basis, right? I capture so much stuff. Okay, so all these stuff I capture because I'm a marketer. Okay, you have to become a word watcher, and you have to become a story. Okay, you have to store those words. Okay, it's an app. Okay, this app is called okay, Go Full Page. Okay, the app is called Go Full Page. It's a Chrome plugin. It's a free plugin. Go Full Page. Okay, Chrome. Okay, search for this. And you have to find it out. Okay, it's called Go Full Page. Okay, and you can install this and you can do this guy. Okay, anyone here feels that? Okay, finally I'm clear. Okay, now I know how all these people have created all these courses, right? Okay, are you guys having your doubts cleared? Type cleared in the comment section if you have your doubts clear, right? This is how people do this. And I'm going to do a lot of stuff, guys, okay, in the coming days, which will remove all your doubts and do it. All right. Now your second day action. Okay. Now your second day action is this. Okay. Now your second action is this. Okay. You need to create your own offer statement. Okay. You need to create your own offer statement. Okay, and you need to repeat the you need to do one action, which is to create your own offer statement. For some reason, it's not coming. Okay, all right. Okay. All right, now you can ask any questions you have, guys. Till 7:30, I'll be answering them. Okay, answer any questions. I'll be answering any questions you have till. Homework, yes, I'm going to do that. Yeah, I'm going to give you that to you. Okay, all right. Okay, ready for today's class, guys? Okay, I'm going to like show you. Okay, in your Facebook group. Okay, and the number of words is not a problem. Okay, but basically you have to create this. Okay, I'm very glad that you guys are doing it. Okay, and it is the best. Don't try to teach what you know. Okay? That is good. Okay, but partner with people and give people what they want. That's a better thing. For example, Neha, you can teach parents how to do something. Okay? Here, okay? Statement here. Okay? You have to click on this offer design statement. Okay, I want you to focus on a niche. Okay, that particular niche or target market should be hungry. Okay, should be hungry. For example, click on make copy and focus on a target market who is having the intent to buy. Okay, not something. Okay, so that is why it is so important for you to research the competition. Okay, if there is no competition in your niche, what should you do? Right, if you analyze for top 10, right, there is no one. That means that niche is not a good niche to enter into, right? All your research has already been done by your competition, right? You will learn how to know if your product will sell or not by just looking into your competition. Okay, go and do this. Okay, so guys, here, okay, you got to focus on a particular prospect who are hungry, who are starving. Okay, I want a solution. Launch profitable Facebook campaigns in 4 hours. Landing page, emails, or a website. The 4-hour Facebook funnel. Okay, okay, you don't have to do even ifs today, Shivangni. Okay, but if you use it, that is better. Okay, I help non-techie entrepreneurs launch a profitable Facebook campaign in 4 hours or less without landing pages, emails, or website. Right? You have to create the statement, okay, and you have to copy the statement. Okay, copy the statement, and you have to just copy and finish this in your Facebook group. Yes, you will get the recording. Okay. Anyone here want an all-in-one document? Harsha, can you prepare this all-in-one document for people, okay, so that you can? Okay. Anyone here want an all-in-one document where every recording, every template, everything is a single page? Anyone here want that? All right, I'm going to give that to you. Okay. Okay. So here you have to come down. Okay, and then you have to post. Okay. Then you have to come and post this statement here. Okay, here you're going to come here and you're going to post your statement as well as your day 2 repetition. Okay, you have to do this, right? You have to create your offer statement and you have to make sure that you post your repetition task, okay, on this particular thread. Understood? Clear? How's your energy? How's your Josh? Okay, of doing it for the second consecutive day, right? Okay, keep your Josh till the end. Okay, that is what it takes. All right, repetition. Right? You have to repeat 21 times, right? Okay, you have to again take your notebook. You have to type. Okay, I am changing the lives of 100 people every single week with my WhatsApp class on. Okay? Yes, we will be posting the task on Telegram. Okay? What is the task? We will post. Okay? But guys, clear? It is okay, right? Tomorrow I'm going to review. Anyone here is going to help others in creating a better statement tomorrow? From 11 to 3, you can do this. And for the first 5 people, right, I'm going to review yours tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to review your offer tomorrow at 11 a.m. Okay, we are going to open. So first 5 people who are going to enter, okay, I'm going to review your offer statement. Will that be helpful? Okay, tomorrow I'm going to review 5 offers live. You're going to learn how to create a better offer with me. Okay, okay, I'll fix it tomorrow, Deepika. All right. Okay, tomorrow. Okay. So it is okay if you don't understand. It is a hard task today, right? Okay, I'm going to tell you right here. Okay, today under this day 2 task, please post our statement and a single statement, and along with your level 1 blodges. Here's our design template. Okay. Please make a copy of that sheet and edit the same and post your offer as one single statement. You have to come here and you have to like, I've given you a lot of examples already, Shrikant. Okay, this is one example. You have to just come and paste this here and also paste with this. Okay, so niche, I will not be able to help. Okay, in this, right, I don't have a time, but in my main program I do it, Shivangani. Okay, but tomorrow I will be reviewing 5 of your offers and will tell you how to like create a better thing. Okay, and you'll also be getting your level 1 batch. Okay, any here want to know how to create your level 1 batch? Okay? So Dilip, fantastic Dilip. Okay, great catch, so that I can. Okay, Harsha, can you prepare that all-in-one link and do that? Okay. So level one batch. Okay. Tomorrow you're going to create your level one batch, okay? And you're going to submit that before at 5:30 p.m. when I open the group. Okay. Level one batch. You'll be getting a template, guys, which is in Canva, which you can use, and you can do this for your. For example, you're going to get something like this, all-in-one links. Okay, so I'm going to tell you. Okay, what is that? So it cannot be mailed, Padmaja. But what we'll be doing is we'll be telling you, okay, how to do this. Okay, so there is some problem. Okay, but I will be giving you the template which can help you in doing this. Okay, so here. So you'll be posting everything on the Telegram group, okay, and you'll be able to do it. Yeah, Telegram and the Facebook group, right? We'll be like posting. Okay, if there is competition, if there are already people who are selling what you are trying to sell, then you are good. So no audio says someone. Okay, is my audio better? Okay, lost you. Okay, is my audio better? Okay, okay. Lost you, Captain says Vaishali. All right, okay. So here, okay, I'm just stopping this. There are some. It is very slow. My computer. Okay, there's a lot of lag. All right, okay. All right, okay. I will fix the video tomorrow. Okay, can hear now says Vaishali. Okay, so please come back tomorrow with two assignments. Okay, I will be not be able to show you the batch. Okay, because there is some problem with my computer, but it is very self-explanatory. You just click a Canva link and enter your name, and you can upload it. So it depends on people, okay, how much you badly want it, Sanket, okay, how badly you want it will determine how fast you will get, okay. So it's all about mastery, okay. The moment you get the mastery process, then 30 is easy, 100 is easy, okay. It is all about that, okay. I have seen people put the effort and 30 days they will be able to scale to 100 sales per week as well, okay. It is all depends on your niche and how ready you are, all right. So with that said, we'll finish today's class and only level one because yesterday was a vision statement, today is level one. All right. Yeah, and that's it. That's it. And also the repetition task where you will repeat the vision statement 21 times and you okay. Believe me, it is hard, but this is what is the most important work. Okay. Yeah, that is amazing Srikanth. Okay. Type amazing Srikanth. Amazing Srikanth has created something amazing on the thing. All right. How many levels are there? Okay, three levels. Okay, we are doing three levels. Okay, level one, level two, level three. Okay, and level three. Yeah, 21 times again till Friday. Okay, please bear with me. I know it is hard. Okay, make today magical. Okay, make today magical. That is the key here. Okay, make today magical by writing that because every day you don't write, right? You're losing the day. All right. With that said, thanks for your time. Yes, you can sell. Some of my students sell their product also. All right. All right. Thanks for your time. Have a great day. Bye bye.